Another Goyard unboxing. This is why I really am a shopaholic, is because, and I do have a problem because I like, who after being burned by the resale market 5 times from a designer, plus just got burned where they got scammed out of a Birkin for Birkin money, would literally right after that go and buy 2 more bags and spend even more money? This idiot.
This guy, this shopaholic, this guy, this guy.
Where my Goyard gang at? Where my Goyard gang at? Where my Goyard gang at? Oh, where my Goyard gang at? You can't hold me down. Oh no, you can't hold me down. Of course, Goyard gang. Of course I got another Goyard bag. You can't stop me. You cannot stop me. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am a luxury lover, a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic cheaty shithead. And today we're doing another installment of Goyard grabbing, a shopaholic purchases of my shopaholic nature. Another Goyard bag. I got another Goyard bag for my birthday, for myself. One of 2 that I got for myself for my birthday. After the whole debacle with the birthday gift I tried to get on the resale market, I got scammed basically into buying a pre-loved Birkin. I was trying to buy for myself for my birthday because I didn't get it from Hermes on my birthday as I wanted to. So anyway, that whole video is there. But anyway, today we're doing part one of two Goyard bag unboxings that I'm doing for my birthday that I got. Also secondhand, but more credible, I guess. 2 new Goyard bags, limited edition bags that I wanted to get that I could not get, that I haven't been able to get because once they're sold out of the store, you can't get them, you know, from Goyard. And I only have buying things from Goyard boutiques directly. Everything that I bought from Goyard has always been from the boutique, except for when I tried to buy secondhand and I was given the few times that I tried to buy secondhand, which I also did a video on, which you can watch later here, or if I haven't posted yet, you'll watch it later. But those 5 bags were all fakes and I had to deal with that. So I've been very wary about buying Goyard secondhand, and that's why I've never done it since those mistakes, and I always buy from the boutique. Anyway, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like buttons, please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? And keep on watching, okay. So yeah, like I said, Goyard bag, I wanted to get a Goyard bag for my birthday for myself because I had a whole issue that happened with getting Goyard bags secondhand when I tried to get them secondhand for the first time, and every single time failed. And I have a whole other video on that, but basically I bought 5 different bags from 5 different sites and they all failed. Then, for my birthday, I was trying to get a Birkin or Kelly, and I found a Birkin that I wanted to get, and it was secondhand because I was waiting for one in the store and I didn't get it. I didn't think I was going to get it, so I went and tried to get one secondhand from a reseller, which turned out to be a scam. Whole other video on that. So anyway, but I wanted to get to, so then I obviously turned to Goyard. My favorite brand, my brand that I've always loved and trusted, and but I wanted to get something special. I wanted to get something limited edition. So I tried again. This is a true testament to my shopaholic nature, for the fact that A, I have been sold fakes on the resale market only. B, I tried to buy something else secondhand and for my birthday, and it ended up being a scam. And yet I still, right after the scam, after I lost the money, Birkin money, I still went and got myself another bag, 2 other bags, resale. But I did, anyway, the whole video about the scam we'll talk about later, but I did my research and I made sure to understand and do the proper research and not be so gullible and so trusting. So I got myself, since the bags I wanted, or there are a few bags I wanted, and I haven't gotten all of them, but we're chipping away our collection, right? We're building it slowly. Surely, not slowly, I'm going a little too fast for normal human pace, but life's short, you only live once, makes you happy, get it. Do it and get it. If you can get it, if you can afford it, if it's not making you bankrupt, or even if it is, if you want to and you want to get it and it makes you happy, then do it. Whatever, it's your life. You can do whatever you want with your time and your money. It's your money, right? So there's a few bags that I wanted to get from limited collections before, and like, you can't get, once they're done from the store, they never remake them. You can't order it again. You can't even special order. Goyard does special orders. Goyard does like pre-orders and stuff like that, but you can't special order a limited edition bag, even a limited edition color. Like, I can't order a regular bag in this color. I mean, maybe you could if you wanted to spend a lot of money. And I think I asked that and they said no. But maybe if you're like a VVVIP, you could do that. Or because when you're VVVIP, they can literally do whatever you want. They can build you a trunk made out of, you know, with a trunk for your socks, a trunk for whatever you want, a trunk. They can build a desk, they can build whatever, you know, however you want it. They'll build you custom made anything as long as you're willing to pay for it, is what I've been told. But then also now it's like, as I was told in France, and it's what I've heard from other people, but then sometimes in the US they say that you can only build something that's already been built before, like a previous design. You can't make something new. But so it's a little conflicting. And again, Goyard, their mystery, their exclusivity, all that. Anyway, that's a whole other thing. We can talk about those kind of things in a separate video. But so this bag that I got and the other ones that I wanted were from a limited edition collection and they're no longer there. So you can't go in the store and buy them. So you can only buy them, and you can't order them. So you can only buy them secondhand. And like I said, I've been very wary about buying Goyard secondhand because there's so many fakes out there. Like Louis Vuitton now, it's like so copied and stuff like that. Even Hermes, I mean, obviously Hermes too. And people can invest a lot of money in a good fake and still make a profit by selling it because Goyard usually sells above retail in the resale market. But don't ever buy it on the resale market if you can get it in the store. Literally go to the store. It's much cheaper 99% of the time. Or you're paying the same price as a new one for a used one. So try to get a new one if you're getting a new one from the store. Email, call, text. If you have any questions about buying a new one and you don't know how to, or you're like, you don't live in an area near Goyard, ask me. I will help you. Even though I still feel like they are not happy with all the information I'm providing for you guys, and that I do kind of just talk about Goyard very freely when they are so exclusive. I'm still going to help them. I mean, I want them to be good at this business. I think I am helping them by telling people not to buy secondhand. I think if anything, they should be happy that I'm doing that, right? And driving people to go to the store instead of going to buy it secondhand. Anyway, I digress. So I got this one for my birthday. This is the first one. The other one's coming tomorrow. And I got it from this lady. I found her online on one of the resale websites. And then I found her website. So she has a website. So she's a full-on website with photos, with you know, like a bunch of bags. It's like, it looks pretty legit. But as I said, I was wary. So I reached out, I talked to her for a while, and then I was still uncomfortable. Like, I didn't want to give her my information. I didn't want to give my name because I was so wary about that burn that I literally just had. So I talked to her. I had her send me more photos, send me a copy of the receipt, send me everything that I could do to authenticate it myself, which fortunately I am pretty good at authenticating Goyard myself. I don't know if anyone ever needs a job of a Goyard authenticator. If I ever wanted to do that, I guess it could be a good side job, backup job. I don't know. Real, Fashion File, Rebag, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Grailed, Vestiaire. Hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. I'll move up. Anyway, so I did all the things I could do to authenticate it. Then I was like, look, I still feel a little comfortable. She was super helpful, super kind, super friendly, talked to me, shared her personal information, shared a bunch of stuff. We FaceTimed. She sent me a video of the bag, like met her family, like all these kind of things. She like made me feel comfortable and trusting. And this mistake last time I made too, I didn't like do it through a proper transaction site. So I had to do it through PayPal this time with an invoice so that it's a little more, but then you're assured that it's like a transaction and there's proof and evidence and they have to ship it and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, last time I was super gullible and stupid and idiot and I didn't even pay attention because I just didn't even understand and I was so new and I just like thought this person would help me and would give me the thing and be truthful to their word or like was their word was like they were honest and they were telling the truth. I was just believing that. Little do I know, no, don't do that. Be careful, be very careful in the resale market. I first 5 times on resale websites, fakes. One off a resale website, still did this one off of a resale website. Be very careful doing it off a resale website. So I still did this one direct, but with PayPal. So don't do it with those other things. Or just do it through the website. And those websites are good because you are protected if anything's wrong with it. You can return it, authenticity guarantee, those kind of things, which I did. All 5 of those bags I returned. But anyway, I keep digressing. I'm gonna talk more about those in the other videos, which I have filmed or haven't filmed yet. Okay, first, you guys, before we do the unboxing, let me know in the comments below what you think I got, what you think I wanted and what I got here, or what's coming, because the other one's coming too, and also what I want to get. I want to know in the comments below, so let me know what you think. I'm gonna wait. Go. Type in the comments below what you think I got. Please, just type what you think I got. Just even a guess, random guess, just one word, one guess, anything, guess, go. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting now. Okay, we're gonna unbox it now. So I asked her to get it to me my birthday. It came a little late, which is fine, but we talked. We invoiced it. PayPal, it was 3% extra, totally worth it. I paid for the shipping, paid for the bag, and somehow I got a steal of a deal still because this bag does not cost this much normally. Well, it costs less in the store, but you can't get it at the store price anymore. And the resale market for this bag that I've seen as I've been tracking this bag to get it is quite expensive. So thank you, she gave me a deal. I'm gonna check with her if I'm allowed to say her name or her website. And if I am, I will put it in the bottom below, or if not, I won't. But she's the best. I love her. I would highly recommend buying from her. Go buy from her. She's amazing. She has a website. She has the other site things, and she's super helpful and super friendly and super kind. And I think she does this a living. Like she's a personal shopper or something like that. Her website name is St. Galentine. Her Instagram is Saint Galentine. A little more educated, but still rash because, you know, I wanted something for my birthday and I was really upset about that. And that's what I think that this is why I really am a shopaholic, is because, and I do have a problem because I like, who after being burned by the resale market 5 times from a designer, plus just got burned where they got scammed out of a Birkin for Birkin money, would literally right after that go and buy 2 more bags and spend even more money. This idiot.
This guy, this shopaholic, this guy, this guy.
Anyway, so I'm really excited to open this. Anyway, that's the backstory. And like I said, this can't get in the store anymore. It's an old collection and it's hard to find brand new. Like, it's always, now I see most of them used, and used is still way more expensive than the store. So let's see what she got me and if it is in fact Real. Okay, first of all, very well paid. Came USPS insured, signature required, declared value, all that kind of stuff. I think it was like it looks priority 2 day or something like that. What is the best way to open this? Oh. I did it! Yay, I did it! You guys seem so excited. I really hope this is not a thing. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's really sweet. She gave me a little thing with her website, her company. It's her website and her company. Let's open that first. Well, this just makes me feel a lot better because this feels a little more loving and real, like a real human. And also just the fact that it's here and it wasn't scammed again. Aww, that's really nice. She gave me 2 Chanel No. 5 samples, shower gel and body lotion. Thank you. I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna use her again. Oh, I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna tell you, if you guys are looking, I'm recommending her already 100%. I haven't even seen a thing, but okay. There's a little note here to me. Mayank, enjoy your new Goyard. I'm glad you found us. I enjoyed chatting with you. Happy birthday. You deserve the best in everything. Thank you for your purchase. Our small business means the world to us. Support. I love you. I love her. I love her. I love you. I hope you watch this. Okay. Here we go. You guys. What are we gonna do what is the channel gonna be without me buying? What are we gonna do when I stop buying bags? What am I gonna turn this channel into? Reviews? One day I'm gonna have to stop because my bank account cannot keep up with my purchasing habits. This is all a COVID thing. It's all COVID's fault because this really interesting COVID. Oh my god, she included the bag too. Wow. Okay. It's an old bag, but obviously because it is the bag of potion. Oh, okay. Bag tells you what kind of bag it is, obviously. Like I said, limited. Are you guys ready? Oh. Dust bag, our favorite. And it looks like it's like literally wrapped like it was from a store. It's wrapped like it was. It's wrapped like it was from the store, you guys. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? Ah! You guys. You guys. Oh. Ah! You guys. You guys. You guys. Oh. There she is. Okay. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm literally so happy right now. Okay, let's just open her up properly so we can see her in the light. Or him. Him? Okay. First of all, siblings. Cousins. Siblings, cousins. Right? Okay, so obviously you know what my third one's gonna be. 2 out of 3. I got 2 out of 3, so you know what my other one that is still on my list to get is, which I'll talk about in a sec, but Okay, so this is the Goyard St. Louis GM in the Precious Metals collection that came out in June 2021. And this is in the gold color. So I have the rose gold, and this is the gold. I actually got 2 of the rose gold. That was my first, I think that was my first Goyard bag. Isn't that funny? Yeah, 2021. So all this craze, Goyard craze, extends. No, yeah, it was my first Goyard bag that I kept. I bought 2 and returned 2, and that was in 2016. I'll talk about that later in another video. But this was my first bag that I got and I kept. So this is 2021. So that's when this whole craze started. And this was also an option. They were already sold out of this in the store when I found out about this one, because I got it in, I think I want to say in August. So it was after the collection had already come out. It had been out for a while, and I had to order this delivered from another store. I think they had one silver one left, or maybe they had one gold one left, but she said they had rose. Oh yeah, they did have one gold one left, but she said rose gold, and I was like, I wanted the rose gold, and she told me I could only get one. So I ordered the rose gold for thing, and then we hit it off so well that she let me actually get another one of these. But then this one, because I came back to get this one, and this one was gone, but she said I could get another one of these, so I got 2 of these. I'm actually really happy that I got this now. Okay, you guys, oh my god, siblings. Okay, it's so pretty, and it's got the little tricolor marquage that's unique to this bag. It makes it one of a kind. Oh, okay. Let's close her up for a sec. Oh my god, she's beautiful, and she's still perfection. I mean, got a little wear to her, but this is a brand new freaking bag. The tags are still on. Oh, the 2 best friends, and the 2 best friends. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so now I have to get the 3rd one, and I'm looking to get the 3rd one, silver one. So the silver one's the 3rd one. I have to get all 3. Obviously, gotta collect them all. I also want to collect all the NANO SAIGONs. Like, I got the black one. I still want to get the pink one and the GREGE one. Pink one's really hard to find right now, and it's like reselling for like $9,000 on like Madison Avenue Couture and Sotheby's and things like that. It's a little high for me. We'll see. I saw one on like Grailed, but this was months ago, and I wasn't ready to get it. Anyway, and then the GREGE one is like also going for 9 right now, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go beat. I'll collect them eventually when I can, but I do want to get all the Goyard limited edition NANO SAIGONs and all the new ones that come out too. That is a goal for me. Or I heard there are more coming in Paris and Japan, so maybe I'll try to get it through somebody there, because I've heard that they have more stock there. And my friends are going to Paris next week, and I have a couple of my friends in Paris that are kind enough to usually get me something if I ask when I'm not there. And Japan, same thing too. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so GM, I mean, everything else, you know, she's perfect. It's got gold hardware to match the gold. She's got rose gold hardware. This feels a little weird. Why is it like that? This seems a little weird to me. That it's usually white, but whatever. I guess I should do a real comparison side by side to the other one, but so far, so good. Oh, she is killing me. I'm just checking all the ways that I normally check if this is fake or not. I don't think it is, but can never be too sure, right? This is still a first time new purchase from a person, but it looks pretty good overall. But then again, the fakes that are made are pretty good overall these days. Are they not? Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Do you want it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Do you want it? What do you guys think? Okay, first of all, put you down. It's so shiny. It's literally so shiny. I don't think the film is doing justice, but oh my god, you guys. Okay, well, so I got her. Here she is. Maybe I'll do a comparison video later, but I think she's pretty good in terms of like my girlies. Okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Okay, I'm gonna also do a part 2 of this video with what else I got for my birthday, which is also just as exciting and just as rare, and even more rare, limited edition Goyard. Even more rare. Something I've wanted for forever. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. And next, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Yay.